Hello and welcome. So my name is Sahil Makandar and I'm here to show you a quick demo of the agent that I built for this challenge using the RASA CALM framework. Basically, this agent's name is SeBrealth. It's a AI health assistant. It's built for a very special purpose. Like, suppose let's take an example. There is a remote rural area where people cannot reach health services. There are hospitals, there are clinics, but there are no specialized clinics like for women's breast health or pregnancy health or any skin cancer specialist. There are no such personalized like services available everywhere in at least in places like India. So this chatbot basically um, is a prototype, you can say, to bridge the gap between the needy and the actual services. So this will act as a middleman and connect those people to the help they need. Sometimes, even if the help is available due to some personal reasons or maybe due to some issues, people hesitate to go to the specialist when it comes to the breast health or maybe pregnancy. So, in such cases, this can act as a guiding way to the people to understand their situation better and reach like get the proper medical services or medical help that they require. So, so when we say no, it again confirms and it will just end the conversation here if the user is not giving the consent. And it will guide you to some other paths, which we'll see later. First, we'll go to the happy path. Let me just start the conversation again. Say hi, same welcome message, and the consent text here. And this time I'll say, yes, I understand and continue. So great, I'm here and ready to help. What can I assist you with today? So let's say mm, I need some info about mm, breast health. So it's saying I couldn't find specific information about breast health, and it's apologizing for not finding specific information about breast health. However, based on the provided documents, severe symptoms like so and so, so and so, so and so. So what exactly happened here? So when we typed in, we are looking for some info about breast health. It first made an API call to a backend integration, which we have added in a chatbot. That is a open source API for getting health related information, and it tried to fetch some breast health information from there, but it couldn't find anything, so it said I couldn't find anything. So after that, what it did is it used the enterprise search that we have integrated in a chatbot. Basically, we have leveraged the rasa's enterprise search feature, and we have provided some documents in to handle such fallback cases where we cannot find information from external APIs. So we have some basic info about some cases. So it fetched that information and it is showing here so and so details. So it's asking, would you like to book an appointment for further evaluation? It's a great next step. I'll say yes, book an appointment. So it's saying, great, I'll guide you through the process to book an appointment. and it's asking, I'd be happy to help you book an appointment. What type of healthcare service are you looking for today? So I was looking for um, breast health. Yeah, so that will come under the women's wellness. Let's see. To help you find clinics and services close to you, can you share your location? I'll say Panaji. It's a place in India. So here it's saying, I found one clinic near Panaji offering women's health services. So what happened here? When it asked for a location, it took a location and it fetched the details from our database where we have stored. It's a basically MongoDB database for this project. I have used MongoDB. It can be replaced with any other database. So it fetched the details from there of all the hospitals or centers providing women's health services in and around this particular place, that is Pangji. And it found one clinic near Pangji offering women's health services. So it's asking which one would you like to choose. Since we just have one, it's showing one button. If we have many, it will list out all the buttons. We are making use of buttons here so that the user doesn't have to type the hospital name or something. If the user just wants to type the number, even that will work. But clicking a button is much better, I feel, when it comes to user experience. So let's see this Goa Women's Wellness Center. And we also have their contact number if the user wants to call and call them up. And it's asking, I need to know what date you can go so I can check for available appointments. Can you tell me a date? So let's say, mm, uh, how about 3rd April 2025? So when I gave the chatbot the date, it went and it fetched the available slots for that particular date. So available appointment slots and so center on so and so date. And here it has listed all the available slots on that specific day. And I can select any slot. So let's say like 11 o'clock. Let's select this. So it's saying perfect. You have selected the appointment slot at 11 to 12. What name would you like me to use for the appointment? Let's say mm, I'll give a random name. And to finish your booking, could you please give me your email address? Your information is safe. Okay, so let's say, okay, so I've provided my email. And here's your appointment summary. Name so and so, clinic is so and so, center date and time, and contact information. Please confirm if these details are correct. I'll say perfect. Looks fine to me. So, woohoo. So and so, your appointment and so and so person has been confirmed. I'll send a confirmation email. So basically, I've also integrated the logic to send a confirmation email. And great news, I've sent your appointment details to this email. Please check your inbox. Let's just check it. So here is our mail. As you can see, so and so government's health center at this date as this time appointment confirmation. And at last, it's asking, is there anything else I can help you with today? I'm here for all the healthcare questions. Let's say, mm, I think I'm having STIs. How do I confirm it? Based on my analysis of your symptoms, it's saying high risk so and so. Again, it did a API call to a information API, health information API, and saying, remember, this is not a diagnosis. Would you like to book an appointment with a healthcare provider? I can help you with general health topics like so and so test and this. What interests you? Let's say, let's do one thing. Let's start the conversation again. I'll say I have a lump in my right breast. Is it something to be concerned about? So it's saying again, I couldn't find any specific information after the API call, but it got some information from our own rack system that we have, and it's asking for booking an appointment. So basically, there are a lot of flows in here for skin health, skin cancer, basically breast health and STIs and general health checkup also. They follow the same structure, and I cannot show all the flows in just 5 minutes because there's a 5 minute time limit. I'll be sharing the GitHub link, which is configured with code spaces. You can test it out. Mhm. Just to summarize, the chatbot uses the RASA's CALM framework to handle the complex conversations. Suppose the user says yes, book an appointment, and I'll guide you through the process of booking an appointment. I'll say general checkup. So it's going to help me find, let's say, Margao this time. And it found one clinic. Let's go with that. I need to know date. So let's say 5th April. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, I need to specify 5th April 2025. Since there was no much time left, I couldn't manage to add the validation for this. Yeah, there's no much time left, so I'll just summarize what are the features of this chatbot. You can test it out on your own. Basically, the chatbot can handle complex conversations using the RASA's CALM framework. Just how I showed you the appointment booking process, transactional flow. During that flow, if the user says, "No, I want to change the timing of the appointment," then the bot will understand and change. If the user wants to change their name or email address, that can also be done there. You can test it out. And we have integrated a RAG system on our own local data, as well as we have integrated a external API from which we fetch the health information, which is open source API. Also, we have integrated a open source LLM to diagnose the symptoms, whatever the user provides, just a basic diagnosis for educational purposes. We have made use of transformers library from and the model from Hugging Face. And last but not least, mm, we have mm, built it using for the RASA CALM framework. So thank you. Hope I was able to showcase all of the features. I know I missed a lot of things, but you can check the code out and you can test it out on your own. Because of the time frame, I'm just cutting the video short. Thank you.